back to my channel. So I guess today you can see the background is a little different. We had a birthday in our family last week. Not last week, actually 2 days before. So that's why my room looks like this. So I thought let's just kind of utilize it and make a video. So this is actually my door. So I have a white door and my mother placed balloons over it. Anyways, in today's video we are going to learn countings. Zahlen. Countings. And today we are basically going to learn countings till 20, 0 to 20. So let's get started. Eins. Eins. Also, it'll be like very good if you just speak it with me. Eins. Zwei. Zwei. Drei. Drei. Vier. Vier. Fünf. Five. Fünf. Sechs. Six. Sechs. Sieben. Seven. Sieben. Acht. Eight. Acht. Neun. Neun. Zehn. 10. Zehn. Okay, so we'll again start. Null. Eins. Zwei. Drei. Vier. Fünf. Sechs. Sieben. Acht. Neun. Zehn. Now let's learn from 11 to 20. So 11 is elf. Elf. 12 is zwölf. Zwölf. 13 is 13. 13. 14. 14. 14. 15 is 15. 15. 16. If you notice, the zehn is basically the 10 which is coming after every number. Not in elf und zwölf, not in 11 and 12, but then 13 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20. Now we'll say in one go 0 to 20. Null, eins, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, sechs, sieben, acht, neun, zehn, elf, zwölf, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 und 20. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Till then, stay safe.